Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and this is actually the second video on the day. And what I have here for everyone today is my unboxing and first impressions of the Kasmer Bluetooth wireless headphones or earphones. These are earphones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it and give you guys my first impressions. Then we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. I actually have one more video I want to record today. And again, I want to apologize because I'm not feeling great at all today. And everything hurts, but the stuff came in. So when stuff comes in, it's time to record. So as much as it hurts, the show must go on. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, as I always do, this came via Amazon. I picked this up via Amazon, and it came packaged rather well. But to minimize the struggles, I already cracked all tapes and seals, and that also should make this rather fast as well. So let's get into this. Whoa, back up, son. First off, overall impressions of the packaging. This actually looks pretty good, Nice cardboard packaging. A little bit of branding on the front, so you can see this is wireless sports headphones, or earphones in particular. Now that term is interchangeable, so even though they say earphones, I understand what they meant by, even though they said headphones, I understand what they meant, because headphones, earphones, pretty much interchangeable. So you can see you could use it hands-free. And it does have a stereo setup, it looks like, and it does look like it does support the pairing of multiple devices, because it says multi-point. So I'm thinking that says you can pair multiple devices. What else is on this packaging here? Nothing on the back but some FCC information, barcode information right here. So you can see this is the wireless sports Kasmer Bluetooth earphones or earbuds. And now let's crack the box here. So here are the earbuds themselves, and I gotta say they look pretty good. Now taking them out the box here, see what we got. So this is the earbuds. Then we have our micro USB charging cable, as y'all can see there. Then we got multiple earbud sizes, so you find the right size that works for you. And then we have the user manual here. So good stuff. Nothing else in the box. Put this off to the side for a minute. Alright. Now, let me take a second to get this out. Alright, so that's that. Now, let's do a quick little walk around of the earphones, and then we're going to go through the user manual and we'll wrap this up. So, here's the earphones themselves, and I gotta say they look pretty good. Looks like we got the charging port on this flap on the bottom of this earphone here. So pulling back the protective flap here, you can see it is micro USB, as you can see right there. Good stuff. Now this is advertised as sports headphones, but I don't know if it has any type of water resistance. And up top here, you can see the volume rockers, probably multi-function. And you can see this does go in your ear with the nice little ear hooks. So we'll see how, when I test it out, I'll let y'all know how I like it. And this is the power button, it looks like. Nice click to it, good stuff. Let's see if the other side has a clickable button. Nope. So this is the main side right here with all the buttons and the charging port. And I can already tell that right there looks like a microphone. See if there's one on the other side. No, there is not. So here's your microphone, your volume buttons. Really nice and clicky, so good stuff there. Alright, so first impressions, the earphones look really good, and I like the ruggedized material. because these earpieces feel really nice. Now, I'll let you guys know in the fit and sound demo that I do how the overall comfort level is, and I'll give y'all a follow-up in the full review when we go ahead and record that. Now let's take a second to go over the user manual, because I know some people like going through that, and then we're going to wrap this video up. Let's put this off to the side here. And so here we have pretty much your standard user manual. So it just says Kasmer across the top, user manual, and you guys and gals can see that this is model G503 right there. So let's flip through this. Which way does this open? Alright, so it does come in multiple languages, it looks like. So looks like it comes in English, Italian, and Chinese or Japanese. I'm not sure about that. And then here we go. Try to get this nice and close. Feel free to pause and read for yourselves. Now, if it's out of focus, I'll throw up a screenshot in post so y'all get a nice good look. And again, we're going to go over the important stuff you guys and gals need to know when we do the full review. This is just for the people who like to see this out the box. So, nice little diagrams. Nice, neat little layout. Font looks a little small, but it is what it is. Alright. And let me see. On this side, we have a different language on the top, English, and then a different language on the bottom. So it's multiple languages here on that side with another diagram. Something just dropped. Whoops. So good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, so yeah. Alright. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this quick unboxing and first impressions, guys and gals. And again, this was my unboxing and first impressions of the Kasmer Bluetooth earphones. Now, my full review for this should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, at which point I'll let y'all know how I feel about the headphones in general, and I'll go ahead and link up my fit and sound demos and all that good stuff for you guys and gals. So when the full review drops, you guys and gals will get the total package of videos. That being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if you guys and gals want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it, so you guys and gals get notified when I post new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all links to these headphones will be linked up down below in the video description. So interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, this whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear facing camera on the Google Pixel XL in 720p at 30 frames a second. And all of the audio you guys and gals are hearing for this video is being recorded using the Boya BY-MM01 microphone. So please let me know what you guys and gals think of the overall video quality and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. Alright, that being said, I hope everyone has a great day and enjoy your day because it is Super Bowl Sunday. So I'm going to try and wrap these other videos up and get my snacks together. Probably get me a brew or two and sit down on the couch and enjoy the Super Bowl. And I hope you guys and gals do the same. Alright, have a good day everybody. Catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace everyone.